It's wireless. This is wireless. Holy moly. I had no idea I had wireless CarPlay. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to take you on my journey of installing Apple Play onto my F80 BMW M3. What Apple Play will allow me to do is it'll allow me to connect directly onto my phone and get a couple of apps displayed in sort of OEM fashion onto my car's screen. Now, not every car had this option. I believe this started mid-2016, where you could go into the store and download the app and start using it. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing today, since my car is 2017. While I'm doing all of this, the ignition is going to have to be on. Obviously, the car is going to be turned off. So what I'm doing is I'm keeping the battery maintained through my charger. Now this time I connected it to the engine bay. I wanted to show you that you can do both ways. You can either connect it to the engine bay or you can do the hard wire in the trunk that I outlined a couple of weeks ago. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing we need to do is turn the ignition on, put the car in neutral just in case. And okay, turn the fan off. So to do this, we go to connected drive, connected drive store, and the first thing that comes up is this Apple CarPlay compatibility. Now it's 300 bucks. Is it worth it? A lot of people will tell you it's not, but to me I think it is, because I've been thinking about it for close to 2 years. So let's see what happens when I do this. All right, CarPlay is a smarter blah blah blah, all that stuff. You can scroll over to the right and you can hold on, how do we need to get rid of split screen. There we go. Seamless integration to your, I don't know if it's that seamless. Cool. This allows you to start focus on the road and adds to the ultimate driving experience. That's exactly what I was saying. With CarPlay, Siri acts like your traveling co-pilot. Apps already available on your iPhone like podcasts. And I believe I'll be able to use Waze on this. If not now, maybe in a couple of months, because I know it's becoming available. So let's go back. Show offers. 20 years, a 20-year subscription to Apple Play, 300 bucks. Okay. So now here, in auto login selected personal service. So here, I have to put in my connected drive. Okay. And we're in. So let's see. The following conditions have not been met. No valid payment made to installing the car. Please complete your data in the connected drive portal. Okay, so the website is connecteddrive.bmwusa.com, and again, I'm not sharing my screen because this has some private information that I am not comfortable with sharing with you. No hard feelings, I hope. But on this portal, I go to the settings, and there's got to be a way for me to enter my payment method. And right here, see, I can show you this. On the left hand side, under settings, my data, personal information, and then you have a payment method. So you click on payment method, and that's gonna store your credit card. I am gonna go grab my credit card from upstairs. And then I'm back. So the credit card information has been put in. I saved it in the account. Again, I will link the website down in the description. As long as your profile is set up online, you should be able to purchase apps on this. So let's do this again. Connected Drive Store, Apple CarPlay compatibility, show offers, a 20-year subscription. It's asking me to log in again. Let's see. I agreed to the terms. 20 years, 300 bucks. I wonder if I'm going to remember this in 20 years when they charge my car again. Purchase now. At least it's tax-free. Thank you for your subscription. We have it. So your order. Processing your order may take a few minutes. Okay. All right, I'm back. I took a little lunch break, but I'm ready to continue. So what I didn't capture on camera is the fact that I deleted my phone from the car's menu. There was a message that popped up that said in order for the Apple Play to work, the phone has to be deleted, then connected again. So that's exactly what we're doing. Allow. Checking unsuccessful. Would you like to use Apple CarPlay if available? Yes. Confirm. So my phone said check-in unsuccessful, but it still connected it. Now I got a message on my phone that said use CarPlay with BMW. I say yes, use CarPlay. Connecting to Apple CarPlay, unable to establish connection. Why? Because we have to put the cable in. Should we retry? Let's retry. Turn on Wi-Fi to use wireless CarPlay. Whoa, I have wireless CarPlay? Turn on. Let's see. I have wireless CarPlay? What? I had no idea. I thought it was only wired. All right. Oh, this is crazy. Cool. Okay, so now appears that on the left-hand side, if I scroll all the way to the left of the menu, there's a message that says CarPlay, a little icon. I click, bam! It's wireless. This is wireless. Holy moly. I had no idea I had wireless CarPlay. I should have done this a long time ago. Anyway, so let's see what we have here. So we've got my phone, music, which I never use, maps, messages, now playing, BMW, obviously, podcasts, my Smoking Tire podcast that I listen to, audiobooks, Audible, Google Maps, Pandora, and Waze. Can you believe this? This is insane. Oh, and I can do split screen. Perfect. So, okay. So let's see. What happens if we do, for example, messages?
Would you like me to read your messages or compose a new one?
Compose a new one.
Who do you want to send it to?
Lucas Radecki.
What do you want to say?
Hey man, I am testing my new CarPlay on my car, period. You are being recorded and you will be on the channel in my video, period.
Your message to Lukasz Radecki says, hey man, I am testing my new CarPlay on my car. You are being recorded and you will be on the channel in my video. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
All right. So it looks like my message was sent. And also to see this is all the messages on my correspondence. Let's see, we go back and we control this using this menu button. This is cool. So music, I really don't have any music. The only music that I really have is U2, which comes standard with the iPhone. I've deleted a bunch of times. I don't know why it keeps coming back. Maps works. We know this. I just don't want to show my location. Perfect. Let's say it loads. Perfect. Messages, we went through that. What's now playing? Now playing, I'm gonna have to delete that. Let's see. BMW, that's the okay, we go back. This is to go back to the main menu. Okay, so if you hit BMW, it takes you back to the main menu. Podcasts, audiobooks, I'm gonna have to move things to Audible. Google Maps also works. Wait, it looks like Lucas sent me a message. Let's see, Lucas. Let's see, go up to messages.
Lukasz Radecki sent you a new message. That's cool. There will be drinks and snacks on board, question mark. Would you like to reply?
Yes. Yes, there will be.
What do you want to say?
Yes, there will be. Ha ha ha. Send.
Your message says yes, there will be. Haha, sent. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
Cool. All right, so we go back. This is awesome. I'm not going to show you what's going on in my WhatsApp because some of the guys are not the cleanest talkers in the chat, but this is pretty awesome. So now let's see what happens when I do split screen. So I can still do split screen with this, map facing north, arrow display, all kinds of stuff. It depends on the menu selected. I can have the time, efficient dynamics, flicker, weather. This is awesome. So I can, for example, have the apps on the left and weather on the right. What I do like to do is on split screen, actually, no, now that I'm gonna have maps on the left, I can have, wow, this is so cool. I can have arrow display. I think that'll work. Perfect. Okay, so now to manage the apps that appear on the screen, this is what we do. We go to settings, we go to general, we go to CarPlay, you hit my car, and this is your menu. So what you can do is, basically what appears here is what appears on your screen. So for example, I want to move messages next to phone. Then next to messages, I'm going to do Google Maps. And then next to Google Maps, I'm going to do Waze. And it's funny, as I'm doing it, it's changing live on the screen. Let's see. What else is really important to me? I really don't care about WhatsApp, but I'm still going to put it on the screen because why not? You know what? I should put Maps here because your OCD would be kicking in. Let's see. Audible, I guess maybe one day I'll be listening to books, audiobooks, podcasts, yes, and BMW. Okay, cool. So now that we've rearranged it, all the apps that I need are on my screen. So just like that, we have installed Apple CarPlay onto my BMW M3. A very pleasant surprise was the fact that it supports wireless Apple CarPlay. I was actually expecting to have to plug the cable in, but I really don't have to. I can still plug the cable in, and what it's going to be doing is just going to be charging the phone, and I can still use all the apps, which is really, really awesome. Some of you will ask me, why did I do this if I have Apple TV? Well, I'm not gonna lie, Apple TV is awesome if you want to mirror your screen and play something, or for the track if I'm mirroring my track apps, but that's really it for me. I really wanted something that integrates in sort of an OEM fashion with my unit, and this is exactly what it is. I'm gonna check in with you guys and girls soon once I start using it, because I know there might be some glitches, maybe not. But just from the look and feel of it, I've got to say it looks pretty cool. It looks like your regular iPhone apps. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Try to subscribe if you haven't. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. There you go. The lights turned off. It's time to finish. Bye-bye.